For 2026, the Subaru Outback Wilderness remains the most off-road oriented vehicle in the portfolio. Exterior modifications include more underbody protection, a reworked front bumper, matte black cladding, and copper-colored highlights particular to the Wilderness. Up front, the grille replaces Subaru's 6-star logo with blocky Subaru lettering similar to a Ford Raptor. Water-resistant upholstery comes standard on the inside, with ventilated nappa leather seating available as an option. The Wilderness has larger approach, departure, and breakover angles than the rest of the Outback lineup. As before, the Wilderness is equipped with heavy, all-terrain tires placed on 17-inch wheels. The suspension now features electronically controlled dampers for improved stability and control on a range of terrains. Towing capability is 3,500 pounds, thanks to a revised rear bumper and updated trailer hitch hardware. The Wilderness trim is scheduled to arrive in early 2026. Subaru has yet to reveal pricing for the new 2026 Outback, but we predict a moderate increase over its predecessor, with prices starting at slightly more than $30,000 and reaching over $50,000 for the top-tier Wilderness trim.